Hello, this is Janitor Ferry, and today I need you to solve a mystery for me. And it's this: why, when so many people are scared or intimidated by sales, are they reluctant to get it fixed? Because here's the thing: when you work for yourself, or you're an employee, in some way, shape, or form, you're in sales. If you're answering the phone to customers, you're in sales. If you have to chase up quotes and proposals, you're in sales. If you're looking for a new job, you're in sales. We're all in sales. So bearing in mind this thing that we all have to do, which scares, intimidates, worries, stresses so many of us, why is it that people don't just go, hey, I want to fix this? If you couldn't drive, what would you do? You'd get lessons, wouldn't you? You'd learn how to drive, and then you'd be able to drive. You'd be able to do that thing. If you wanted to learn a foreign language, well, sitting at home thinking, I wish I could speak a foreign language, isn't going to make you be able to do that. You need to learn it. You need to invest in yourself. And it's like pretty much anything you want to do. There's a bit of effort involved, but the payoff is worth it. So I don't want you to have to do something in your job that genuinely frightens you. And I get it. I get it. Before I started my sales career at Xerox, I'd not had any formal sales training, and once I got to Xerox, it took them 13 weeks to put me on some training. Not their fault, just the way it happened. And I was terrified. For those 13 weeks, I was terrified. This was, 35 years ago? I can still remember. It's in here. I will never forget how I felt. But I will also never forget the relief once I'd had some sales training. I went on a program called Basic Sales Skills. It was a 1-week long course, and it changed my life. Because, sure, I wasn't an expert yet. I had the basics. I had a skeleton. I had a structure to follow. That's what the course gave me. And practicing it gave me the experience. It embedded it in here. But I needed the structure. Without the structure, I would not have been a success at Xerox. I'd have crashed and burned. Quite apart from the fact my figures would have been dreadful, it would have been a really painful personal experience because I'd have put myself under so much pressure. So if you are feeling the pressure in your job, if you are hating the thought of what you have to do every day because you don't know if you're doing it right, then just get in touch. We can have a chat. I'll recommend something that will suit you. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get skilled up. Yes, you've got to spend some money, because most good things do cost something, but it's not really a cost if you think about it. It's an investment, and it will stop you feeling dreadful about yourself and enable you to earn money. So don't sit there feeling sorry for yourself. You know how to go about learning to drive a car. You know how to go about learning a foreign language. You know how to go about learning to sell. Take care. Bye-bye.